This is part 3, or the final part of this 200 amp electrical system upgrade, being upgraded from the old system that had absolutely no ground at all to it. And this is a 200 amp upgrade. It's got the two electrical leads, and it's got electrical ground here, and then it's got a separate safety ground here. So it's coming from a 2-wire system up to a 4-wire system. The old system was put in 1955, had absolutely no ground at all on it. There was a ground that was hooked to a water pipe. So we only got a few more of these to go, and I should be able to knock it out in this part 3. So anyway, this is the wire that's hooked into. This is a neutral. On a regular wire system, they call the black hot and the white neutral. You can see that it's hooked in there to the electric ground. And this is the ground wire hooked from this electrical safety bus over to the other one that's over here on the other side. This is that 2-inch PVC. The connection there was made. There was about a 15 or 20 foot run from where the power fed into the house from the meter base and the electrical disconnect over to where the circuit breaker box was. So it was about 15 or 20 foot. So we had a long PVC run. Sometimes you'll have a direct feed through. Sometimes you won't. This once again is inside the house there, and this shows you how those things are hooked in. There's your electrical neutral and your two electrical hot wires coming into the box. It's also this electrical safety from the electrical disconnect box, which is just below the meter base into the circuit breaker box. You have 4 wires coming in. You have this electrical hot wire, the other electrical hot wire, the electrical neutral, and then you have this a green safety ground wire coming in. And this is just where the 2-inch PVC is connected there to the wall. Keep it from sagging. This is where the wires feed into the box there. This is a little connector. It's got a screw on the other side that tightens it down to the box. This is some of the old electrical wiring in the house. You can see how frayed it is. This once again is that elbow connector that you use on this 2-inch PVC for these electrical wires. You need this here because those wires are big and very hard to turn. They're heavy-duty wires. There are 4 alt wires. The 2 electrical hot wires and the electrical ground are 4 alt wires, and the green wire ground is a lot smaller, but it's still pretty hefty wire. It's definitely probably a size 8 or size 6, something like that. you can see it right there. That electrical safety ground wire, probably about a size 6 wire, size 8 or something like that. It's definitely not a small wire. When I say size 6, I mean 6 gauge or 8 gauge wire. It's pretty heavy wire. And I believe that is the end of it. That's all the pictures I have. Once again, that installation cost me about $3,500, about $1,600 on the labor and $1,600 on the materials. That's what the installation cost. If you were to rewire the house, it would probably be another $1,000, $1,500, depending on who you got to do it. If I did it myself, it would just cost me the materials. Of course, it would cost me the labor, and I'd have to pay whoever was helping me labor too. So it would be a pretty expensive proposition. I have done the whole thing. I have done the 200 amp electrical system upgrade plus rewire an entire house, and I'm going to be doing some more of this. I had like a subcontractor put in this 200 amp electrical system upgrade. I paid him like $1,600, and he only worked a couple of days. So the next one we do, I'm going to try to do myself. I'm going to do some more research studying, look up various parts, take a lot of pictures of them, and I'm going to be putting them on, making videos of that, of a parts list and how much the parts cost and exactly everything that's needed. And when I do the next one, I'll know exactly what's needed and how to hook everything up and so forth. And I'll go ahead and do the installation myself and be able to save myself a lot of money doing it. But anyway, that's part 3 of this 200 amp electrical system upgrade in photos. Thanks a lot for watching, and I appreciate it. And if you like these videos, please subscribe. Thanks.